need to complete this drawing of the axle support base by adding a hole, that hole at the top. So go to sketch, draw a hole in the center, 20 mils, and then dimension it from the top, 25 mils. And this hole is now, the sketch is in the middle. So I do my extrude. I pick the sketch, do an extrude cut, make it symmetrical so it passes both sides, and then do all and press OK. So that one is now finished. So I can as well close that and close that, and then we have a new so in this one we now go to the next piece, which will be inserted in that base support will just been made. So it is just a simple pipe with 6 holes, and this shouldn't take a lot, so we can save it again and call it expandable pipe. I think I should have a folder which we're going to call Axle Support. I'll put that file which I did before, and I save this one. Then we start drawing. This is a simple drawing. The pipe is 300 meters, so if I just drew a line 300 millimeters, and on this line I go to solid, create, pipe, and I touch that one. Make sure it is a 3 millimeter pipe and 60 millimeter size as stated there, and then I click OK. This is our pipe now. So on this pipe we choose one of, let me put this one there, we choose one of the planes. That plane can draw a circle of 20 millimeters projecting from the center, circle 20 millimeters with the distance of 52 from the top. Then, similar like we did for the axle support, we do an extrude and we do a cut, all symmetric, and then I click OK. That hole now is through. So we need a series of holes for this one. So we can do this by doing a pattern. If I go to create, I do a linear pattern this time, which is called rectangular pattern. I select the object, which is actually that hole. Axis. I can select should be the one going up, which is the Z. I can select it from there. Now we need to do a distance of 35. We need 6 holes, and since the arrow is showing up, so we need 35 in the negative. So we have 6 holes there, and then we click OK. So that will make a hole in between in all the directions. There is another small hole on top, which is not shown here, but I will show where it is. Do again side of the holes. There is a small hole which is only 5 mils, and that hole is 14 millimeters from the top. And this one also can be cut and extruded through. So same way, extrude, symmetric through all, and cut, and that finishes the design for the expandable pipe. Till the next drawing.